Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here with Benidorm still slightly cooler Benidorm than it was yesterday. Got warm yesterday, probably say temperatures of about 30. Yeah, about 30 degrees yesterday, and today it is slightly cooler. I have got my new cardigan on, got a pair of shorts on, and of course got the ponchos and the body hats in the back of Sue's scooter, so if the weather does come in, we'll be prepared. And my gimbal's gone. Sorry about that, guys. My gimbal's suddenly broke, and I'm not sure whether, because I ain't charged it for a while, it's playing up or what, I don't know. I hope not. Right, no, I charged it on Monday night, so I don't know why it's playing up. I reckon I'm needing a new gimbal soon. Before I forget, huge thanks to all my fans who wished me happy birthday. Thanks to all my friends as well. Thanks to Ant Shaw and Andy for the super chat. Thanks as well to the lad who sent me some money in my PayPal account. My gimbal's knackered. Gonna pause you because I've got to film you now because my gimbal's. Well, hey everyone, sorry I'm filming, so video will probably do shit now that I'm filming. Mind you, most of my videos have done shit lately. So far this month I've only earned £2.10, which means I ain't getting paid. Anyway, thanks to Anne and Andy who sent me a tenner super chat yesterday. Ain't gone on yet. Thanks to Paul who sent me some money for PayPal. Nice bright yellow Mustang there. Mustang 5.0 convertible. Pretty nice car that. Thanks as well to our Geordie friend, mad about Benidorm Jamie. Can I tell him what he done? So we got a message off him, just expecting it to be typical like happy birthday. He had sort of wished us happy birthday on a few videos before this message on WhatsApp. Then the message just sort of goes like, oh, alright, so tell Marcus I put 100 quid in your bank for his birthday. To say I were over the moon is an understatement. I literally fell onto City because I were quite shocked. But then again, that's something that Jamie would do. Bloody hell, the nut job paid €120 last year for a tattoo I've wanted, so I'm not surprised. With that €100 I have managed to purchase my November fancy dress fiesta costume. know that you're thinking a bit too early for that, but I just want to sort of get it in, make sure I've got it, make sure it fits. Because I know that most years we just sort of wait till last minute when we're all skint and hope we can either get decent costumes from joke shop or make sure that we've already got work. So it is raining now as well. We're just heading down to Curry Corner at this current moment to return 3 of my presents, which I mean, bit of a shitter. Returning the Hawaiian shirts, because when Mum said they were big, she weren't bloody joking, they are big. Tommy's there, some good shows on tonight. Anyway, about my costume, going for an Assassin's Creed costume this year. I've had to order it in a 3XL because it is coming from China, so just hoping like it fits. Then next Tuesday I'm ordering a prop for it, the Hidden Blade as well, so...
Not real blade.
Yeah, not real, it is like just a plastic sort of toy designed to look like the one from the games / film. So yeah, can't wait. It is currently raining as well, so we might have to pull up in a minute and get the rain gear out. I'm not sure what my Mike's doing today. I think he has suffered an injury from testing out an e-bike we've recently bought to sell on. I think he's either pulled his groin or like his hamstring or something, but yeah. Best wishes, Mike. You feel better soon. Market day as well, but I don't think it will be on much longer with the rain coming in. So this will probably be the only video I'm doing today, because I mean, I don't really like hand filming. I like to make sure stuff's good quality, so yeah. Anyway, hit the like, guys, hit subscribe. I think me and Sue's gonna get the rain gear out and see you in the next one.